My name's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, AnthonyAllenEdits, the YouTube channel that is about all things editing and teaching you how to edit and more so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you would like to tell them with full creative control. And here in this video, we're going to be talking about another plugin available for Final Cut Pro 10 users. It's available on a website called johnbelew.com. John spelled Jon, Belew spelled BELEW.com. And here in this video, the plugin that we're talking about is called Flat Earth, and we're going to have a look at it right now, right here on Anthony Allen Edits. Okay, so the plugin that we're going to be looking at here in this video is called Flat Earth for Final Cut Pro X, and it's available at johnbelew.com. This is what the page looks like. This is where you can download it from. If you scroll down, you'll see the price, which is $14.95, gone down from $19.95. You can also share this page and product with Facebook, Twitter, or you can pin it using Pinterest. But this is the plugin that we're going to be looking at. We're going to see its capabilities. We're going to go inside Final Cut Pro 10 and we're going to stretch this out just slightly just to see what it can do, and if it's worth a download, and just to show you guys the plugin for more context. As I've said in previous videos, plugins are there to solve a problem or to save you time with your editing, and this Flat Earth is going to be judged based on that principle. So without further ado, let's go into Final Cut Pro 10 and let's go and check out this plugin firsthand. Okay, so here we are inside of Final Cut Pro 10. You can see that I've got my inspector window, no effects panel and transitions because we don't need them. I have a screenshot that I've taken and I've imported into Final Cut Pro 10, and then I've gone into my generators and I've searched for Flat Earth. I just had to type flat, and now here's the Flat Earth, the effect, the generator, sorry, that we're going to be using today. So we're just going to drag this into the timeline to get things started. Boom. Now we're going to see what we've got in the inspector window. So as you can see over here on the right, you've got the position. Well, actually going to move the time head onto the Flat Earth first. You've got the position, which is an X and Y axis, which is vertical and horizontal, where you can move things. You've got a rotation. Not sure if you're going to have to keyframe the entire movement. We're going to find out. You've got the Earth, which is you can actually give an image a search there. You've got the clouds on or off. You can check and uncheck this to bring the clouds on or off. Obviously, with it checked, it's going to be on. You're going to have clouds over the top of your map, and with it off, you're not going to have any clouds at all. Then you've got the opacity of the clouds to make them invisible or visible to the eye. You've got the cloud speed, so obviously you've got the movement of the clouds and the speed that they're moving at, and you've got the cloud altitude, which is how high and low the clouds will be from the map. And obviously you've got the zoom. So what we're going to do now is I'm actually going to I'm going to play this through to see what it looks like for one. Okay, looking good. I can see what's going on here. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image placement here, and I'm actually going to select my screenshot when it allows me. I think the software is just having a bit of an issue just loading that up. And I'm just going to hover my mouse over the image of my map. I'm just going to click that. Then I'm going to click apply. Now this is actually a screenshot. So it's a screenshot of something that I've used. A screenshot of Birmingham and a map of Birmingham and slight surrounding areas. You can see that it's slightly stretched. I don't know if that's because of the way that I've taken the picture, or it's a zoom on the shot. So let's bring the zoom out. So I brought the zoom out here. Now I'm just going to make a movement to see exactly what's going on. So I think I know what's going on here. This is just a quick look at this application today. There's a slight stretch. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to obviously get rid of the screenshot. I just did that just to import it in. I'm just going to click play to see what it does. This image can be whatever you like, so if you find a better picture of a map, you can actually use that as well. Again, I'm not sure if this plugin is for me. It does require you to make some keyframing or add things over the top of this this generator, but it's a good start. It's a good starting point, especially if you're going to use a map within a video. Not sure why it stretched the image so much, but it's definitely a good starting point for those of you who want to showcase a position or a location on a map. I wouldn't give this the highest rating. It's not the best plugin available on johnbelew.com, but it's definitely a good starting point for those of you who are struggling to showcase a location. So Flat Earth, what do you think? We want to hear your comments down in the comment section of what you think of this plugin. Is it good? Is it bad? Does it need improvements? What do you think about it? Are you going to purchase it? Are you going to just brush it off as like, yeah, this isn't for me? We want to know why it's not for you. And of course, your voice means something here on this channel. Definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bar, because I upload and have new content for you here on AnthonyAllenEdits every single day, and there is knowledge, assets and more that I will be giving away here on my channel that you do not want to miss, which is a good reason to hit the notification bell so that you can get there first and not miss out on those things and sort of get ahead of the curve as well. Now with that said, I'll see you in the next video, as I've definitely got another one for you as I upload every single day here on AnthonyAllenEdits. Thank you for watching.